Liyun, Mingyao, Xiaoling. The temperature will be about 5 degrees Celsius, and that is why we are all putting on our jacket. Here is Zanfeng. 5 of us are now heading to the cable car station where we will take a cable car to the top of the hill to enjoy the good food and the good view and some games. Here we go. Wow, look at the lake. It's so beautiful. I think we should drop by later. Riding down the snow slope in a plastic seats.
Okay.
Now we are going to ride the revolving cable car, where we get 360-degree panoramic view of the surrounding.
The temperature up there is 8 degrees and yeah, actually really nice weather, good view, but also a little bit windy, so could be a problem in the afternoon, but now all the attractions and activities are still working. So then I hope the wind not getting stronger, and so that you can enjoy your afternoon and your stay here in Enberg. And so I wish you a really nice day. Bye bye.
We are getting ready to cross the highest suspension bridge in Europe. But first, let us take some photo. The wind is very strong on the bridge, but the view is insane. It's absolutely stunning.
这个我有一点怕。
这么你怕？
Not 怕 like a little bit of like you know thrilling kind of effect.
还是
Hello.
给我关。哦，嗨
Hello.
对啊，够了。嗯。 Okay, stand up. Open. Okay. Thank you. Boing.
Yes, let's go to the glacier cave. We are in the glacier cave now, surrounded by ice from ceiling to the floor. Apparently, this ice is up to 5,000 years old. It's quite slippery in here, exactly like walking on an ice skating rink. And before leaving the place, we remembered to drop by the lake that we saw on the cable car. And now it's time to go back.